In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to construct a dot plot by doing this practice problem. And we have a discrete data set given, and here it is. And to construct a dot plot means to create a plot by first constructing the horizontal axis and labeling all the values on that axis. So we're going to start with 28, and we're going to go all the way up to, what's the largest value? 41. Let me go back. I'm going to avoid drawing circles there, and I'm just going to draw tick marks. So we have 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. And here's how we construct a dot plot. We look at one observation and we draw a dot 1 unit above that number, and that's it, right? So we're going to look at number 39 and we're going to draw a dot at 39. And what if I look again at another number, 39? Well, that means I'm going to draw another dot 1 unit above the existing dot. So we're going to just stack all those dots, and one number is represented by one dot, and one dot represents only one number. So 28 will be here, 32 will be here, 35 will be here, 40 will be here, 41 will be here, 30 is here, another 30 is another dot, 35 is another dot, 34 is here, 42 is, oh, I have another 42, 37 is here, 33 is here. The beauty of it is you can create these dot plots as you collect data, and it doesn't have to be done in any specific order. You literally create it as you go from left to right or from right to left. So this is what a dot plot looks like for this particular data set. Now, to get the credit on this problem, I'm going to copy this image. 1, 2, 3, 4. Common mistake is students frequently only draw the top dot, but that is just another version of a frequency polygon. In order for you to have a dot plot, you have to have as many dots as there are observations in the data set. Let's click submit, get full credit. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to try another problem like this, look for that link in the description of the video.